Hi guys, good evening. I am student of Art of English. Today we are going to start conversation. Excuse me,
Yes.
do you have pen?
Yes, I pen.
How much is your pen?
My pen cost 5
How many pens do you have?
I have 3 pens.
Where have you purchased your pen from?
I have purchased my pen from
Mm, How far is it to Khurja from here?
there is about 3 kilometers from here.
Mm, Can you go to Khurja?
Yes, I go to Khurja.
Do you keep on going to Khurja?
Yes, I go. I keep on going to Khurja.
Was there nothing but shops?
Yes, there was nothing but shops.
What did you do after you reached Khurja?
I bought my.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have computer.
How many computers do you have?
I have only one.
How much is your computer?
My computer costs 750 like.
How many computers do you have?
I have one computer.
Mm, do you know how to operate the computer?
So I know how to operate the computer.
Does your parents know how to operate the computer?
Yes, my parents know how to operate the computer.
Where have you purchased your computer?
I purchased the computer in Gurgaon.
How far is it to Gurgaon from here?
Gurgaon is about 95 kilometers from here.
Can you go to Khurja?
Yes, I can go to Gurgaon.
What did you do after you reached Khurja?
I did study after I what after I
Do you prefer tea to milk?
Yes, I prefer milk.
Do you prefer apple to mango?
Yes, I prefer apple to mango.
Hi everyone,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm telling you.
May I with you please?
Have a pleasure.
Okay, tell me how many members are there in your family?
There are 7
Okay, where are you come from?
I come from
Where are you coming from? Do you know where is Saneta Sahiba?
Yes, I know.
Okay, do you know where is District Blanchard? Okay, do you know how far is to District Blanchard from here? Have you ever gone Blanchard? When you ever gone to Blanchard? Okay. Do you know how far is to Mumbai from here?
Yes, I know.
Do you know how far is to Aligarh from here? Okay. Do you prefer rice to pulse?
Yes, I prefer.
Okay. Tell me, do you have phone?
Yes, I have.
How many phones do you have?
I have 3 friends.
How much is your phone?
My phone costs
26,000.
Okay. Where did you purchase this pen phone from?
I purchased this pen from Gurgaon.
Why do you purchase this phone from Noida?
I have purchased this pen from Lord.
Okay. Do you know where is Noida?
I think Noida is Gautam Buddha.
Okay. Have you ever gone to Noida?
Yes, I have gone to Noida.
Why you have gone to Noida?
I have gone to Noida.
Okay. Do you know how to drive the car?
Yes, I have gone to the car.
Do you have car?
Yes, I have car.
Where did you purchase this car from?
I purchased this car from Gurgaon.
Okay. Does your father knows how to drive the car?
My father knows how to drive the car.
Does your mother knows how to drive the car?
No, my mother knows how.
Okay. Do you know how is Bobby related to you?
Bob is my uncle.
Is your Bobby uncle?
Yes, Bob is my uncle.
Okay. Do you know how is Adi related to you?
Adi is my brother.
Adi is your brother?
Yes, Adi is my.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Okay. Is your intention to purchase a new car?
Yes, my intention to purchase a new car.
Is your intention to purchase a new phone?
Yes, my intention to purchase a new phone.
Are you in the habit of telling a lie?
No, I'm in the habit of telling lies.
But I think are you in the habit of telling a lie?
So right, I'm not telling you.
Why are you habit of telling a lie?
I am a bad boy.
Okay, you are a bad boy.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Change yourself, bro. Okay.
I'm trying.
Will you have to cook the food?
Yes, I will.
Will I have to cook the food? Will I have to cook the food? Why will I have to cook the food? Okay, but my mom, but I have my mom. I have my mom.
What do you want to say?
I want to say I have my mom.
But your mother doesn't let you.
Okay, don't worry. Was there nothing but crowd in Khurja?
Yes, there are nothing but crowded.
Hmm. Do you know where are the new fans made?
Yes, I know.
Where are the bike repair? Where are the bike repairs?
I can Agra.
Why are the new bikes repaired in Noida?
Because there are so many good mechanics.
Okay. Do you have to wash the cloth?
Yes, I have to wash the clothes.
Do you have to cook the food?
Yes, I have to cook the food.
Do you have to go to school?
Yes, I have to go to school.
Do you have to go to? Do you have to do the job? Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hello. Good evening.
We are student of Art of English. Today we are going to start conversation. Please listen to me carefully. Do you know how to drive the car?
Yes, I know how to drive the car.
Does your father knows how to drive the car?
Yes, my father knows how to drive the car.
Does your mother know how to cook the food?
Yes, my mother knows how to cook the food.
Can you get my other card mate?
Yes, I can get your other card mate.
Who can get my other card mate?
Can get your other card mate, and my friend also can get your other card mate.
And who will get my other card mate?
I'll get your other card mate.
But my choice is you will get my other card mate.
Yes, let's say I'll get your other card mate.
In which school do you study?
I'm studying in RE college.
And what will you eat today?
I ate some normal food today.
And what did you eat today?
I eat homemade food today.
What did your father eat?
My father also eat homemade food.
Do you have to cook the food?
Yes, I have to cook the food.
Is he longing for drop of the water?
Yes,
No,
yes,
he's
I
not
know.
longing for a drop of water.
Why is he longing for drop of the water?
He's longing for a drop of water and what is thirsty.
Uh, do you know just as you speak English in the same way, I can also speak English?
Yes, I know. It says you speak.
Just as tree breathe in the same way, man can also breathe.
Yes, I
Yes, I
know.
know.
Just as trees breathe in the same way, man can also breathe.
I may be permitted to play here.
I am permitted to play.
Do you know we used to play under this tree?
Yes, I know.
How can you play in this tree?
This tree.
I think this tree is so big,
Bro, what I thought this tree is too small.
Tree.
but I think this tree is so big.
I don't think so.
Which cricketer do you like most?
I don't like cricketers.
Has your father been a wrestler?
No, yes, my father.
Has not been an wrestler.
Has your father been a farmer?
Yes, my father.
Do you know how to ride the bike?
Yes, I know how to ride the bike.
Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
Do you have your own bike?
Yes, I have my own bike.
Tell me how much is your bike?
My bike
It
costs
was
1,000
10,000
rupees.
rupees.
Only 13,000 rupees is your bike?
Yes, my bike was 30,000 rupees.
Bro, you are so poor.
Yes, I am so poor.
But I am richer than you. Do you know?
Yes, I know.
When will you get my bike repaired?
I will get your bike repaired day after tomorrow.
Tell me, where does your father get his bike repaired?
Your father gets his bike repaired at Madhupura.
Did she keep on playing?
Yes, please keep on playing.
Pardon?
Yes, he keeps on playing.
When did she keep on playing?
She kept on playing last week.
And why is she keeps on playing?
She kept on playing because she is in the habit of playing.
Are you in the habit of traveling?
No, I am not in the habit of traveling.
Why are you not in the habit of traveling?
Because I don't like traveling. I don't like.
Do you have money?
No, I don't have money. No, I don't have money.
Why? Why you don't have money?
Because I am very poor.
But I think you are earn.
What?
I think you need to earn.
Yes, I need to earn.
Uh, when will you earn?
I'll earn next year. After 2 years.
Mm, which Bollywood hero, which Bollywood industry hero do you like most?
I like Hrithik Roshan.
But I think Tiger Shroff better than Hrithik Roshan.
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Because Hrithik Roshan is very good god.
But I think Tiger Shroff handsome than Hrithik Roshan.
No, Tiger Shroff is not handsome than Hrithik Roshan.
But I think.
No, I don't think.
Mm, is your intention to purchase a car?
My intention is not to purchase a car
Why is your intention not to purchase a car?
because I don't have money.
Can you get my Aadhaar card made?
Yes, I can get your Aadhaar card made.
When will you get my Aadhaar card made?
Get your Aadhaar card made after 2 months.
But I'm not talking about can, I'm talking about will. When will you get my Aadhaar card made?
Get your Aadhaar card made after 2 months.
Mm, do you know how to operate the computer?
Yes, I know how to operate the computer.
How many legs does buffalo have?
Buffalo has 4 legs.
And how many horns does buffalo have?
Hello everyone.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
Can you tell me about your family? What is your father? And what is your brother doing? Okay, do you have car?
Yes, I have car.
Do you have a cycle?
Yes, I have cycle.
Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
How much is your bike?
My bike costs 1 lakh rupees.
Which bike do you have?
I don't know.
Would you like to purchase a new bike?
Yes, I would like to purchase a bike.
Okay, where did you get your bike repaired?
I get my bike repaired in Punjab.
Okay, and where does your father get his bike repaired? Can you tell me about your bike?
There are 4 wheels in my bike and 2 meters in my bike and 2 tires and 2 tubes and lot of things in my bike.
Okay. Do you want to purchase a new bike?
I don't want to purchase.
But you can purchase a new bike.
I can purchase a new bike, but I can purchase a new bike, but I'm not intention to purchase bike.
If I give you money, then can you purchase a new bike?
Yes, if you give me money, I will purchase it.
Can you tell me about which bike do you purchase?
I purchase BMW S1000 RR.
Can you tell me about BMW S1000 RR features?
There is 1000 cc engine.
There is a 1000 cc engine in bike.
And that it touched to 300 kilometer.
And the bike cross 300. Okay. Do you have car?
Yes,
Yes, I have.
How much is your car?
My car costs 8 lakh rupees.
Would you like to purchase a new car?
Yes, I would like to purchase a new car.
When will you purchase a new car?
I will purchase a new car next week.
Okay. Do you have to do the job?
Yes, I have to do the job.
Which job? Which job do you have to do?
I don't know this job I do.
Which job do you want to do?
Pardon?
Which job do you want to do?
I don't know.
Don't you have any idea about it?
No, I don't have.
But bro, you should have any idea about it.
Okay, I'll try.
Do you have buffaloes? How much buffalo do you have?
I am full buffalo.
How many buffaloes do you have? आ जाऊं भैया.
Hi guys, I am a student of Art of English. We are student of today start conversation. Do you have bike? How much is your bike? Where did you purchase your bike from?
Purchase the bike from.
Do you know just as you speak English in the same way Akash can also speak English? Can you get my car repaired? Who can get my car repaired? Who can get my car repaired?
Son can get your car.
Ben can get my car repaired. Ben, will you get my car repaired?
I will get your car repaired.
Are you on speaking term with Akash?
Yes, I am speaking
How is Akash related to you?
He is not my brother.
Akash is your friend?
Yes, Akash is black.
Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
How many bikes do you have?
I have 3 bikes.
Do you have to cook the food?
Yes, I have to cook the food.
Hi, my name is Sakshi. I am a student of Art of English. We are going to start conversation. How far is to Khurja from here? How far is to Dhari from here? Do you keep on going to Delhi? Do you keep on going to Khurja? Do you know how to cook the food? Do you know how to eat the food? Do you have pen? How much is your pen?
My pen costs 5 rupees.
Where have you purchased your pen? How far is to Khurja from here? Just as you speak English, in the same way Monica can also speak English. How is Monica related to you? Is Monica your sister? Are you speaking then with Monica?
Yes, I am speaking.
Do you have as many pens as Monica?
Yes, I have.
Is your intention to go to Delhi?
Yes, my intention to go to Delhi.
Is your intention to purchase a pen?
Yes, my intention to go to Delhi.
Was your intention to purchase a car?
Yes, my intention to go to Delhi.
You will have to tell a lie.
No.
I don't do that.
You will have to eat the food.
Yes, I will have to do the food.
Has your father been a farmer?
Yes, my father is a farmer.
Has your father been a teacher?
Yes, my father is a teacher.
Is this car your choice?
Yes, my father.
Is this pen your choice?
Yes,
Get my car repaired. Please. Do you have as many computer as Pari?
Who says so?
My father says so.
How many members are there in a family?
There are 5 members in my family.
How many teachers are there in a school?
There are teachers in my school.
I don't know. Many teachers are there.
Do you know, just as you play in the same way, my sister can also play?
Yes, I do just in the same way of sister.
Do you have car?
Yes, I have car.
How much is your car?
1 car for 1 lakh rupees.
How many cars do you have?
I have 3 cars.
Where have you purchased your car from?
I have purchased a car from
How far is to Ghaziabad from here?
65 kilometers.
Is Ghaziabad 65 kilometers far from here?
Yes, 65 kilometers.